Hello everyone, welcome back to Creo Parametric. I am Rakesh VALASA. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to develop the given part modeling in Creo Parametric software. Okay, first you need to close this file, then open new part modeling file. Just click on this new and choose part, then give the name here and remove this, use default template, then click on OK. The given part modeling having all dimensions are in millimeters, that's why I'm selecting MMNS part solid, then click on OK. First you need to construct the base model that is in the shape of a rectangle. So I'm selecting top, then choose sketch, then change these isometric views to orthographic views. So that's why I'm choosing sketch view. Okay, from this toolbar I'm selecting center rectangle. Now locate the center and draw one center rectangle here and exit from the tool. Just click mouse middle button and give the dimensions. This width is 42. Double click on this dimension, enter the value 42, enter. Then this total length is 98. Double click on this dimension, type 98, enter. The given model base thickness is 20 mm. Now click on this OK and choose extrude option and give the thickness 20, enter. Then click on OK. Okay, after this, in the given model, in the front view, here having one cutting portion there with thickness 6 mm. So select this face and choose extrude option and select sketch view. Okay, for to construct that portion, I am selecting corner rectangle. Just draw one rectangle here and exit from the tool, click mouse middle button and give the dimension. Okay, this half of this distance is 98 by 2 minus 98 by 2 minus 14, enter. Then this total rectangle length is 98 minus 14 and minus 14. So this value is 98 minus 14 and minus 14. Click enter button. Now click on OK. Now you can remove that portion through this width 42 mm and in the reverse direction 42, enter. Then click on OK. After this you need to construct this portion. In the front view it is appear like one rectangle. So I'm selecting this front face, choose extrude option, select sketch view. Okay, for that rectangle I am selecting corner rectangle. Okay, before selecting corner rectangle, first you need to construct one reference line on this edge. Then close this window. Now select corner rectangle. You can construct one corner rectangle here. Now exit from that tool with the help of mouse middle button and give the dimension. This height is, you can see here, from this edge circle center point 21 and curve radius 21. 21 plus 21, 42. This height is 42, enter. Then this rectangle total width is 14. You can type here, this is 14, enter. And the thickness of this edge to this center line, that is 14 by 2 means 7 mm, enter. Then click on OK. You can extrude up to this width 42 mm in the reverse direction. This is 42, enter. then click on this OK. After this you need to apply the round to this edge and that edge. So select this edge and this edge, apply the round option. That round radius is 21, you can type here, then click on OK. Then this portion having one hole is there, hollow portion is there, that circle diameter 20 mm. So select this face and choose extrude option and select sketch view. Now you can construct one reference line here, then close this window, draw one circle on this reference line. Now exit from this tool, just click mouse middle button. So this circle diameter 20 mm, enter. This circle center point from the base edge 21 place 20, so the value is 41, enter. Now exit from this tool. Now now remove now you can remove that hollow portion from the major part in the reverse direction, then click on OK. After this you need to construct these two holes on base part. Okay, select this face, choose extrude option, then click on sketch view. Now you need to construct one circle on this base. Now click exit from this tool, apply the dimensions. This dimension is diameter 12 mm, enter. This circle, the distance between the circle center point to major part vertical center line, that is 50 by 2, that is 50 by 2 means 25. This is 25, enter. Now click on OK. Now change the direction, then click on OK. Now this major part left side also having one hole, so that's why I'm choosing mirror tool with respect to this vertical plane, that is a right plane, then click on OK. You can see here, this is the way to construct any type of 3D part modeling in Creo Parametric software. You can also apply the fillet or round corner to these edges. Select this one. You can also apply round to this one edge and this edge. You can take 5 mm, enter, then click on OK. Go to the view, standard orientation. You can also see the different views, different orientations. That means shaded with edges, shading, no hidden line, wireframe. Okay, I hope you enjoyed a lot in the session. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.